I'm returning to a nearby pond where I've seen a variety of birds, mostly waterfowl, but that was in winter. As I approached, I noticed the bramble, which is thorny blackberry bushes. The black ones are ripe, red would be not there yet, and tart. The abundance and brilliance of their color is striking. Recently, I've watched people pick these for canning and preserving. Even before reaching the pond, my eyes are on the flowering plants and the many flying insects. The pond is still and vacant. Just one or two mallards can be seen at this point. The insects are everywhere. This flower will eventually turn into a berry. Mallards on the move.
My days, I was really looking forward to eventually going to that whole thing. There's not.
This is a mallard, darker with a white chest, and from what I've learned, this is a hybrid, a cross between a mallard and another species.
What they say in the little critters book, Ollie? What they say?
I spent most of the time admiring the plants and insects as well as the mallards. I turned and a group of Canada geese appeared. Where did they come from? I miss their landing on the water. You can notice them a mile away flying in, and they always squawk on arrival. These guys just appeared. I walk with my Galaxy S25 Ultra for video. For still images, I use my Nikon D3500 DSLR.